Wow! Amazing! May pa-happy birthday ang Champs. Ay, may pa-gift pa. Thank you po. May pa-flowers pa at balloons. Violet, purple. Thank you po, Champs. Wow! Amazing! May pa-balloons. Love it. Purple. Thank you po, Champs. Love, love. I-unbox na natin ang gift ni Champs. Oh, thank you so much. Bulaklak. Happy 18th birthday. Every year you become older. Hope you become truer, wiser, love. Champs. Thank you, Champs, for your love letter and for your surprise to my balloons, purple, and for this gift. So, i-unbox na natin ang gift ni Champs. Oh, it's done. It's so big. It's a sign na ba? It's a sign na mag-exercise ako. Kailangan ko na ba mag-exercise, Champs? Wow! Parang maganda to ah. Sana bumalik na uli ang aking alindog pag ginamit ko to. Kailangan, ito na ba ang magpapamotivate sa akin? Wow! Ano kaya yan? Magkakaabot pa ba ako dito? Malagyosa na ba ulit ako? Thank you po. Exercise na